Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you fix on your Roblox and Windows. Your Windows 7 system is too outdated. Please install KB4534310. So this is basically a Windows issue wherein you have an outdated Windows or your Windows system is too old. So if you are Windows 10 and below, I have this solution for you. So to be able to fix this, you have to know first your Windows version. Go over to this PC on your Windows Explorer, right click and properties on this PC icon, and you will know here your Windows version right here. As you can see, I am Windows 10 Pro, but this will work for you. Okay, so for this to work, you have to know this, your Windows 10 Pro and your bit if you are on 32 or 64. As you can see, I am on 64. Okay, after knowing that, you just have to go on over on your browser again and search for Windows Update Catalog. Over here, you just have to select the first link, catalog.update.microsoft.com, and you have to search for the KB4534310 update or text. So KB4. Okay, so it's 10. Okay, so you have to know here what version you are. So as you can see, we checked earlier, so you just have to check on that and download what particular um, update you need. So we just have to select this one, and you just have to wait for this to finish. After that, you just have to go ahead and run this download after this is done. So okay guys, you just have to go ahead and show in folder. As you can see here, right click and just go ahead and open this one. Okay guys, so that is all for today. So as you can see, this is not applicable for me because I am Windows 10, but this will work for you. Okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.